This is a product review for COSORI 5.0-Quart rice cooker. 18-in-1 functional with touch control, ceramic, non-stick inner pot, stainless steel steam basket. Clean, easy to clean, 10 cup capacity, 30 chef made recipes. And let's see if it has, there it is. Link will be in the description.
And it has a 2-year limits warranty on it.
Live life tastefully. One thing about the COSORIs, they sure do have a lot of
great products
and recipes.
Yeah. And I can get out of my way. Alright, so let's take a look at you. Oh, just look at you. Quick start guide. Maybe can take the crazy thing. Okay, there's that. Oh, wow. Let's see what kind of, ooh. Spatula for the rice. Your measuring cup. One cup of rice.
Ooh. Good to steam vegetables.
Uh-huh. The steamer basket, not for rice cooking. Just put that out there. It's for steaming veggies. Goodness gracious. Boy. Okay, that's it. Rolled steel cuts. You can cook oatmeal, barley, steam. It's got everything in there.
And the measurements.
Uh-huh. White sushi, porridge, brown rice. There we go. Okay, let's plug it in and see what it looks like turned on. So sorry guys, baby's not doing no rice today. Alright, we have a startup menu. Before first use, wash accessories, replace parts, add water to the steam, water level marking, press mode up to 2 times, then select steam, press start. How to cook the rice. Yeah, well, we all should know by now that we have to rinse off the rice.
We just gotta peel that.
Yeah. Press white rice or whatever rice you're cooking. Press texture up to 2 times for soft rice. Press start. Okay. This is nifty. This would be good for a good family. Or even 2 people.
There it is.
Mm-hmm. So it's got it for grains, brown rice, white rice, oatmeal, keep warm mode, and quick rice. Easy peasy.
Hit the modes and see.
Long grain, short or medium, porridge. So you fix your texture. I'll get it out. hard, regular, soft. Well, I don't know anyone that wants. Okay. We've already got that. Then you would start.
It's got a timer delay and everything.
Mm-hmm. Cool. Okay, so we got mode, slow cook, steam. Oh, you can even saute. There you go. Minus or up the minutes. So steam, saute. Very nice. Okay, cancel. Grains. Faro. Okay, so you could hit like start. There you go. Cooking barley. Brown rice. Again. Wait a minute, cancel. I think brown rice only comes in.
Now you gotta hit texture again.
There you go. Then you would hit start. So there you go. Easy breezy.
What's quick rice?
I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's parboiled rice. Just says quick rice. And then hit start. It's 39 minutes. So, okay. Maybe that's for like parboiled rice where it doesn't take as long to cook.
And the oatmeal.
All right, let's see what we got for oatmeal. Steel cut, which takes longer, rolled or quick. So let's go with that. Oatmeal. There you go. 40 minutes.
Not bad.
At least this, you could put it in, walk away, and you don't have to worry about it bubbling over. Or not enough water being in there because it's going to steam it. So yeah.
Pops right up.
I like that.
It's pretty cool.
And then you got your little spoon spatula where you can just take it out, put it on a bowl or plate. Cool.
And then you got your steamer that you just put in there.
Yep.
Oh, and it stays up in the air so the water's on
Well,
the bottom.
that's the idea of steaming. It's not sitting in water.
Not bad.
Yeah. I like it.
And each COSORI product that comes with different recipes.
Well, for whatever their equipment is for.
Right, and then you can go online. And they have more. You could sign up where they'll send you different types of recipes as well. I mean, look at that. You can Indian style curry,
There you go.
rice cooker jambalaya, poke bowl, which is very popular, Buddha bowl, steamed salmon, vegan bread pudding. Not bad guide here.
Gives you a lot of different recipes.
Because some people do like the sticky rice when they make their sushis.
Yeah.
Certain things that you can do sticky rice. Yep, see the sushi rice. And then, of course, you got your fluffy rice. And there it is. You're into sushi. This would be perfect for parties.
California rolls, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, there's just a bunch of things that you'd be surprised that you can cook in that little thing. So COSORI steamer, rice steamer.
Yes. I think it's a very good little product right there. And you can do more than just rice. A lot of rice cookers, you can only do rice. So this gives you a variety of sauteing, steaming, rice, oatmeal, sushi rice. What more could you ask for? So if you're in the need of one of these, it'll be in the description box. So until the next review or video, everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.